देश के सबसे पुराने लोकतंत्र के मंदिर में विश्व के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी थे। सामने यूएस कांग्रेस के सांसद थे तो मोदी भारत की शान। मोदी ने जैसे ही हॉल में प्रवेश किया 4 मिनट तक तो तालियां ही बजती रही। मोदी ने अपने भाषण में हर एक मुद्दे को उठाया ही, साथ ही भारत और अमेरिका के सिमिलर होने की भी बात कही।
The spirit of this great nation, which is in Abraham Lincoln words, was conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. In granting me this opportunity, you have honored the world's largest democracy and its 1.25 billion people. As a representative of world's largest democracy, it is indeed a privilege to speak to the leaders of its oldest. Mr. Speaker,
नरेंद्र मोदी ने भारत और अमेरिका की समानता भी अमेरिकी कांग्रेस को बताई, साथ ही दोनों देशों के डेमोक्रेसी के महत्व को भी बताया।
Mr. Speaker, our nations may have been shaped by diverse histories, cultures, and faiths. Yet, our belief in democracy for our nations and liberty for our countrymen is common. The idea that all citizens are created equal is a central pillar of the American Constitution. Our founding fathers too shared the same belief and sought individual liberty for every citizen of India. There were many who doubted India when, as a newly independent nation, we repose our faith in democracy. Indeed, wagers were made on our future, but the people of India did not waver. Our founders created a modern nation with freedom, democracy, and equality at the essence of its soul. And in doing so, they assured that we continue to celebrate our age-old diversity. Today, across its individuals and institutions, in its villages and cities, in its streets and states, are anchored in equal respect for all faiths and in the melody of hundreds of its languages and dialects. India lives as one. India grows as one. India celebrates as one. Mr. Speaker, modern India is in its 70th year. For my government, the Constitution is its real holy book. And in that holy book, freedom of faith, speech, and franchise, and equality of all citizens, regardless of background, are enshrined as fundamental rights. $800 million of my countrymen may exercise the freedom of franchise once every 5 years. But all the 1.25 billion of our citizens have freedom from fear, a freedom they exercise every moment of their lives. Distinguished members, engagement between our two democracies has been visible in the manner in which our thinkers impacted one another and shaped the course of our societies. Thoreau's idea of civil disobedience influenced our political thoughts. And similarly, the call by the great sage of India, Swami Vivekananda, to embrace humanity was most famously delivered in Chicago.
मोदी ने अमेरिकी सांसदों के सामने भारत के विजन को भी रखा। मोदी के 2022 के भविष्य के भारत से अमेरिका से जुड़ने की अपील की।
Long before assuming office, I traveled coast to coast, covering more than 25 states of America. I realized then that the real strength of the US was in the dreams of its people and the boldness of their ambitions. Today, Mr. Speaker, a similar spirit animates India. Over 800 million youth are spatially impatient. India is undergoing a profound social and economic change. 1 billion of its citizens are already politically empowered. My dream is to economically empower them through many social and economical transformations, and do so by 2022, the 75th anniversary of India's independence. My to-do list is long and ambitious, but you will understand it includes a vibrant rural economy with a robust farm sector, a roof over each head, and electricity for all households. To skill millions of our youth, build 100 smart cities, have a broadband for 1 billion, and connect our villages to the digital world. And create a 21st century rail, road, and port infrastructure. These are not just aspirations. They are goals to be reached in a finite time frame and to be achieved with a light carbon footprint with greater emphasis on renewables.
नरेंद्र मोदी भारत के छठे पीएम हैं, जिन्होंने अमेरिकी सांसदों को संबोधित किया और मोदी के संबोधन में बजी तालियों ने बता दिया कि अमेरिका में भारत को लेकर क्या सोच है और भारत का रुतबा मोदी के दौरे से किस कदर बढ़ा है। NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।